Hello, it's your dishwasher repair expert here. Today, we're going to talk about something that could throw anyone off balance: Whirlpool Dishwasher Error F15. Imagine this. You come home after a long day, load up the dishwasher, hit start, and suddenly, bam, a mysterious code F15 appears on the display. Your heart races because, honestly, who wants to deal with an unexpected breakdown in the kitchen? But don't worry, there's no need to panic. The Whirlpool Dishwasher Error F15 might look intimidating, but in reality, it's just indicating a problem with water heating. This means the heating element, which is responsible for warming the water during the wash cycle, has encountered an issue. This issue could be due to a fault in the heating element itself, a problem with the temperature sensor, or even a loose or faulty electrical connection. So, what steps can you take to tackle this? The first thing to try is turning off the dishwasher for a few minutes and then turning it back on. Sometimes, a simple reset is enough to resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, it's worth checking the wires that connect the heating element to the rest of the system. These could be loose or damaged. However, if Whirlpool Dishwasher Error F15 keeps showing up, it might be time to call in a professional to inspect the appliance thoroughly and address the root of the problem. To help avoid any potential issues in the future, remember that regular maintenance of your dishwasher can be beneficial. Every few months, run a cleaning cycle, clear out any food debris from the filters, and make sure the spray arms are free from blockages. This can prevent strain on various components, including the heating element, and keep your Whirlpool dishwasher running smoothly. Hopefully, this advice brings you some peace of mind and readiness to face any possible challenges. If you'd like to stay updated with tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.